Hello, kumusta po kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Nabanggit natin noong nakaraan that bathing can benefit your muscles, joints, and bones. Ano po ang paliwanag nila rito? Stretching and moving in water has been shown to be low impact on the joints, muscles, and bones, but very effective in providing an adequate workout through resistance. Isa po sa pinakamagandang exercise ang swimming dahil yung pong paggalaw, stretching, and moving in water, ito po ay mayroong low impact sa ating mga joints, muscles, and bones, pero napaka-effective po nito para magkaroon tayo ng resistance. Mayroong pong magandang nagagawa ito sa ating katawan. There is also less chance of injury for people who are at risk of fall. Yung mga medyo nanganganib na matumba, yan, safe po sila pag sila ay nasa tubig. Kaya yung mga aquatic exercises, ideal po yan for the elderly o sa mga senior citizen na o nagkakaedad na. Taking a spa can alleviate some of the discomfort or condition kagaya ng osteoarthritis without any adverse effect of exacerbation of symptoms. Kaya maganda po ang water exercise, aquatic exercise.